Sandy Munro sounds off on Tesla layoffs. Manufacturing industry expert and Tesla supporter Sandy Munro has shared his thoughts on the recent layoffs at the company, along with sharing a few spicy takes on mainstream media and hate for Elon Musk. In a video shared on his YouTube channel Munro Live on Monday, Sandy shared a number of his thoughts on the recent Tesla layoffs. He points out that his opinions on the matter will differ from most people and are generally better informed, especially given his vast amount of experience working in automotive manufacturing over several decades. Elon Musk explains Tesla's strategy behind layoffs as executives depart, along with discussing multiple of the departments that were affected by Tesla's layoffs. Munro comes to Musk and Tesla's defense, essentially just pointing to the move as a necessary business decision. He also goes on to point the finger at media outlets, name-dropping CNN, then saying, "They're all under the bus as far as I'm concerned," for stirring the pot and spinning the company's situation as negatively as possible to sell their newspapers. Near the end of the video, Munro takes his defense of Musk and his criticisms of mainstream media one step further. "I got all upset because I'm sick and tired of getting. We have to be careful about what we see, what we hear, and how we interpret it," Munro said. "These guys basically want to pick your pocket. If it's Wall Street or if it's the Fed, these guys in the news, all they want to do is sell newspapers, and they know to catch your attention. We call it clickbait now, right? Well, they do it a little differently. They think that if they skip some of the stuff that could make your life happy and bring in something that'll make you miserable, fear will take over, and you'll buy 2 newspapers. Who knows? But I will tell you one thing. Elon Musk is the greatest person on the planet right now. Nobody else out there, nobody has made a rocket ship that'll go to Mars. Nobody out there has made electrification a reality. In addition to a rocket that can go to Mars and sustainable transportation," Munro goes on to list a number of the other things Musk has brought to the world, including the Cybertruck and its 48-volt vehicle architecture and Ethernet Etherloop system, as well as rear-wheel steering and steer-by-wire. Who else could bring these innovations to the world? According to Sandy, nobody. Why? Because they don't have the brains, they don't have the guts, and they will never take a risk. You can watch Sandy's full video on the Tesla layoffs below, clocking in at almost 11 minutes. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.